Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a Quicklotz listing video that we're going to do. We did the unboxing. I'm going to show you some of the things that we unboxed. But if you haven't seen the full unboxing, check it out. It was rather interesting, especially for any clothing that was white in color. So what I want to give you is the specifications on what I paid for this box, and then also what kind of the outcome was after the unboxing. And then we're going to go through and find out, did I actually make money from this box? Remember, this is from Quicklotz. This was a designer apparel mystery box. I paid $300 for. It was free shipping. Took me about 3 weeks to get this, so I was anticipating something awesome and I was a little bit underwhelmed. So I'm really hoping that with this video I find out that I actually do make money, because I spent $300. So 18 of the items are basically in sellable condition, but they don't come new with tags. 24 garments in this box were damaged in unsellable condition. Okay, and there were 47 in the box total, so that's over half that were damaged. 4 of them I'm going to be looking up right here on camera to find out how much I can make on it, and 11 of them came with tags. So I'll give you a total profit number at the end of this video. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, I am sitting at my computer. I've got my Amazon Seller Center pulled up to see if we can actually sell it on Amazon. And then I have my inventory pulled up, so if I can add it to a batch, I will use my Inventory Lab listing system to do that. You can make a listing with Amazon Seller Central only, but I use Inventory Lab to track some of my stuff and to print my labels. So, Paul's going to come over and scan things, whatever we can, those 11 items with tags. Then I'm going to attempt to look up these other items, and then we're going to go through and then look up those on the FAR table so that we can find out how much we can sell them for on Poshmark and come with total numbers at the very end of this video. Okay, scan away, sir. So that is a Michael Kors jacket, correct? That did not pop up.
Let me try it again.
Okay. Yep, it did not. You want me to try to look it up?
Yeah, why don't we go for it?
Okay, what's
Kors? It's gunmetal.
M-I-C-H A-E-L.
Next word.
K-O-R-S.
Gunmetal jacket.
Gunmetal is one word?
Gunmetal is one word on this.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I found a bunch of watches. Let's try coat. Here it is, right here. Is this it? Yes, that's it, right? The pockets or zipper are different on this one.
Yeah, the zippers and pockets.
Okay.
I don't have the 2 top pockets.
Okay, let me keep looking. Let me check on regular Amazon.
Yeah.
Because it's easier to find it usually there. All right, so we just have little zipper pockets like this, right? But we have a fuzzy collar.
Yeah.
This one? But different color?
What about the one that was to the left of that?
Does it have an upper pocket at all?
No upper pocket.
Okay.
Just the 2 bottom pockets.
This one is not it because of these little fold things.
Okay.
No upper pocket, you said?
2 fold things. It does have a fold thing.
No, this part is different. Right here.
Oh, okay.
A flap. It has a flap. All right, hold on. I'm looking. Where's the one that I just had?
I mean, it would be a good Poshmark sell.
Yeah.
Probably during the winter, we probably could get...
They're going for $119, $149, so...
We probably could get $50 to $60 on this on Poshmark.
Okay, so I'm going to write $50 for that jacket.
Sure. Wintertime.
Okay, yeah, at winter time. All right, let's go to the next item. Scan away. Nike bra, yes. We can sell this one. Let's see, it's got a good sales rank, $295,000 in clothing. Loading it on Inventory Lab. This is currently temporary FBA restricted, so I'm going to just go ahead and put it on Poshmark because we can't sell it on Amazon. But that's a size medium, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so it's going for $40 on Amazon. So I'm going to write down that we're going to make $30 on Posh.
Okay.
Okay? But we'll list it on Posh with a picture. Okay?
Ready?
Yes. That is not a mattress.
No.
Okay.
Not. I got another barcode.
Okay, let's try that one. Nope, it's not on there.
This will probably
Swim
go
bottoms.
Decent on Posh.
$10.
$10 maybe. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Since they originally sold for $25. Okay. That one didn't pop up either.
What number do you have there?
4390-828-34.
Yeah, that's the same one I have there.
Okay.
So probably Posh.
Poshmark. We'll probably make $5 on that.
Probably.
Okay. Alrighty. Hoodie didn't pop up either. What's the original retail price on that?
$30. So you might make, I'd say 10 on Posh.
Okay. Since it's kind of a junior style.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That didn't pop up either.
T-shirt.
Well,
That's kind of an interesting look to it, though.
okay. So how much?
I'm gonna say maybe $15 on Posh.
Okay. And we're definitely going to price these much higher so that you can offer deals and make 15 after fees and all that, correct? Yeah. Okay. Not on there?
Not on there. Very basic shirt. It's
okay.
A medium, women's medium. You might make $10 tops.
Okay. The only white shirt that we can sell.
Only salvageable white shirt.
Okay, that didn't pop up.
Okay, original retail was $27.
Okay, so $15 is probably what we're going to get for it on Poshmark. After fees and such. Nope.
No. Original retail was $72. They had it marked down to $37. So
let's go 35 on that. And we'll sell it. We will sell it at winter time, yes.
Yeah.
That burgundy sweater. Alrighty. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Not on there.
Original retail $39.99.
Okay, so let's say $20.
Probably.
Yep.
It's a good size.
It is.
It's an extra large.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes. Not on there? Those are kind of one pair of men's dress pants, basically. I think we're going to make only about $10 on them because of the size they are. They're really, really small.
Yeah, you'll probably get 10.
So
they probably came with a suit top, which is the bummer.
They're nice pants.
They are.
Yeah. So they'll probably just be bought as dress pants, but they're kind of a small size.
Yeah. $10.
Yep. Okay, so that's all those. And then these I'm going to look up, right? Just by title?
Right.
Okay, so why don't you give me some info on that, and I'll do my best to look it up.
This is
okay.
Pool, P-O-O-L,
okay.
2-T-O, Party, P-A-R-T-Y.
Pool to party cover-ups.
Yeah.
All right. We got a bunch here.
I got a black and purple.
Okay, let me put that in there and just see.
Braid.
Let me see. I'm looking. There's quite a few different.
What are they going for?
They're going for the pool to party ones. 17, 18, 21.
So you'll probably get, after fees and markdown from Posh, 10.
Yeah, I agree.
I mean, this is a perfect time to try to sell it
yeah,
too.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, here's another one. Ready?
Yep.
CAARA. It's a dress.
Oh, it's that yellow one.
Mm-hmm.
Is
that a full length?
Looking.
No.
Okay, they're kind of going $40, $30.
I'd say you'd probably clear at least 15 on Poshmark.
That's going to make a really nice picture too.
It will.
So, yeah, $15 for a nice summer dress like that. Okay.
All right. This was that one that was really hard to figure out how it
Yes.
was.
Okay.
MONSE. And it's a dress.
What color? Blue and white?
Blue and white.
Yeah. Okay, let me just Google it and see if I can come up with... I'd love to be able to find a picture of this one because it's so weird the way the straps are. Okay, there's...
What about that third one picture?
This one?
Picture. What is that? Got one sleeve and then something wrapped around a neck?
Yeah.
That's it.
This is it. Oh my goodness. It's selling for $1,490.
There's no way this sells for $1,400. Was there another
listing
right next to it?
Yes, this one is listed for $1,700.
This thing?
Yeah. It's the exact same dress.
It is the exact same dress, I think.
Yeah.
Here's the front.
Yeah, it's the same dress. You know what?
We don't have the tag, so you can't sell for $1,400.
Okay, so hold on. Let me go to Poshmark and just see how much these ones on Poshmark are going for.
That would be nuts.
Yeah, that would be bonkers. Okay, let me just log into Poshmark real fast and see if I can figure out how much this would go for. All right. Okay, so I've got a pair of pants and a shirt, and they're over $100. Let me see if...
So it's a very high end then.
Yeah. Let me get rid of the descriptor and just see if I can find just a dress, a plain dress on Poshmark.
It's in good condition.
$590 for a geometric dress that's almost identical, just different pattern, and $450. And we're filming. And then
hold on one second. Keep going.
And then let me see. Okay, $1,200 right here on this one, and this one's $800. So I think... So I found one for $1,200 and $800, and that are similar style with that wraparound neck. I think we could list this for $400 or $500. Maybe $300.
Is there a difference in size, maybe?
What size is that one?
It says made in USA.
Yeah, what size is it?
I think you found a size on here somewhere.
Yeah, it was in the inside, yeah.
Size 6.
Okay, well here's a 4 going for $590 and an 8 going for $450.
And that's on Posh?
On Poshmark.
I'd say go crazy. Let's put it at $900.
And then maybe...
And what do you figure?
Let's say conservative.
Tell you what, go to completed.
Well, they don't...
The ones that
okay.
sold.
Okay.
And see if something actually sold for that.
Sold... 175, 349, 390, 340. Oh, that's a totally no. That's not that. Yeah, 550.
So let's say if you think we could get 350, 400 for it.
I think we could get 300.
Those other ones sold for
350 because that one's almost identical. So let's say $350.
Might have just redeemed Quicklotz.
Now see this one, let me see. I wonder if we can filter for new. This is all. Okay.
Yeah.
So now ours doesn't have tags. So but I mean if it's selling for $1,400, you know?
Yeah.
So all right, $350
$350
for that dress. And we're gonna list that as soon as we're done with this video. Yeah, that's the only redeeming. So I will give numbers before that dress and then numbers after that dress, because I think that you know makes a big difference. So,
okay.
All right, let me get to the right spot. Go ahead. What's it called?
The brand is Lush, Lush.
Lush, and it's a dress.
It's a dress. Floral, maybe.
Okay. Yes. So we've got a bunch here. Let me Google it instead. Okay. All right. Yeah, we've got some Lush floral keyhole one and another one. $34.97. These look very similar. Mm-hmm. That might be it exactly. Well, different color flowers, but it's the
flowers is a pink flower.
This is the same dress though. $35 is what they're going for on Nordstrom, and so I say we can get 20
probably because of the dress.
Sure.
And the size is a size. It's a medium.
Okay, so that's a good that's a good price for the medium. Okay. All right, and then we're going to go through and show you the rest of the items. We're going to get the camera up close on all the other items and give you good solid numbers for how much we're going to sell each and every one of those for, okay? All right, so here's the rest of the clothes that I can potentially sell on Poshmark. Normally when I get a box of clothes, I look for new with tags, and I expect to get new with tags. The one thing I noticed about Quicklotz is all of these garments you're looking at right now do not have tags, but they look like they're brand new in sellable condition, never been worn. And so just be aware of that when you order a Quicklotz box. I think on this table alone, I can make anywhere from $5 to $20 per garment, depending on what it is. And I'm roughly going to make about $180 of what you see right here on the table. So 180 bucks right here, and these are without tags, basically new without tags items. Now everything we went over before that did have tags and things that I looked up, I add the 180 to that, and I'm at $435, and that's not including the really expensive dress. So if I didn't have that really expensive dress in there, $435 is what I expect to make after fees, very conservatively. Remember, I paid $300 for the box, so that would still put me at a profit of $135, and I'm probably going to spend about two hours listing everything. But let's add that really, really expensive dress. I'm going to list it for $900, and maybe let's just say it stays on there forever. Nobody wants to buy it. Let's go for what those style of dresses were selling for on Poshmark, and I think I'm going to make about $350. So let's add the $350 to my $435. That puts me at $785. Take off the $300 I paid for the box. If that dress sells, it means I'm at a profit margin of $485. Not too shabby. Now, I am definitely expecting next time I order a Quicklotz box, which I probably will do, I need to look for the diamond in the rough, and I need to also expect to see this. This is unsellable, okay? So just be aware of that when buying a Quicklotz box. I may look up some of these and find maybe another lower dollar diamond in the rough with some of these brands. I don't know, but I know I found one really awesome dress in great condition. Unfortunately, it doesn't have tags, but it's still gonna sell fantastic for me. So profit margin of $485 on this Quicklotz box that I was discouraged about, but not anymore. Hopefully it's been fun to watch this listing video and see my awesome surprise. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, if you want to make awesome money on Poshmark, check out my Poshmark ebook that helps every brand new seller and current seller make the most money on Poshmark. It's really, really affordable. You can check it out at hookedonpickin.com. I also have really fun mystery boxes of my own where you get to pick the size. So even though you may not want to resell the items, you want to buy it for yourself, you get your own mystery box at hookedonpickin.com. There's anywhere from you know, really expensive items to just regular items in there, but they're really, really a good deal. Only $14.99 for 5 tops or dresses in your size. So check it out at hookedonpickin.com.